Hello, fundraising friends, and welcome to How to Create Fundraising SMART Goals. In this how-to video, we will construct an example of fundraising specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely goals for a basketball court. Let's start with the S. S is for specific. A specific goal is your organization's end product. You'd answer questions like, what are we trying to do? And what will we do to make this happen? An example of a specific goal would be to install a basketball court in the physical education and recess yard by raising $21,000 over 3 years, providing students with a dedicated play area that supports the school district's adoption of the NFL's Play 60 campaign. Let's move on to M. M is for measurable. A measurable goal is like a progress monitor. It tells you if you are on track. You'd answer questions like, how will we know if we need to tweak something? And how will we know when we have met our goal? An example of a measurable goal would be to raise $3,500 per semester through student and organization-led fundraisers. We will meet monthly to plan, organize, and report on fundraiser expenses and profits. To determine impact, we will monitor student usage for 3 months and compare it with the pre-construction numbers of inactive students in the play area. Let's move on to the A. A is for achievable. An achievable goal is a goal that is within reach. It isn't necessarily easy to achieve, but it isn't so far out of reach that the goal is unrealistic. You'd answer questions like, can this goal be achieved? And what will we do to achieve this goal? An example of an achievable goal would be to meet our $3,500 per semester goal. We will host 1 student-led and 2 organization-led fundraisers each semester. The fundraisers will include student sales, fund runs, pledge drives, community campaigns, school activities, and concession sales. Let's move on to the R. R is for relevant. A relevant goal explains why achieving this goal is worth anyone's time. You'd answer questions like, what purpose does this goal serve? And why do we want to achieve this goal? An example of a relevant goal would be to provide a safe space for students to be more active during physical education and recess in support of the school district's adoption of the NFL's Play 60 campaign. Last but not least is the T. T stands for timely. This statement provides a time frame for meeting our end goal. Here, you'd answer questions like, when will we achieve this goal? And how long will it take for us to achieve this goal? An example of a timely goal would be, over 3 years, we will raise $21,000 to fund a basketball court. By semester 5, we will select a sports court contractor and court style to complete court installation before the start of school year number 4. From beginning to end, it will take us 3 school terms and 2 months to have the court installed. And that's it. That's everything, fundraising friends. We did it. We created specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely goals to support a fundraising effort. Now that you've had the practice, it's your turn to make the plan. So I'll propose a question. What will you do next?